Hello students, welcome to the Puncation Academy Maharashtra and I am Sumedha. Today we are learning for standard second and our subject is English. Okay, now pay attention, we will start with our topic. See what is our topic name? That is a punctuation marks. Punctuation marks means what? What is the spelling of punctuation? Punctuations. Punctuations. Okay. And punctuations are marks. Marks means symbol. Okay. That is what? That is a symbol. You have to know which symbol is used and where we have to use it. Okay. So we will start now. See. Overview is what? Punctuation marks are special symbol. See what previously I have said? They are a special symbol. Okay. Now see, we used the in writing to help us understand when to pause. Okay. What I know when to pause, stop, ask questions, or show excitement. They make our sentence clear and easy to read or write also. When if you write, then only you can read. Okay. Now see, this punctuation marks are what giving the exact knowledge of when to pause, when to stop, ask questions, or show excitement. Means what? When to pause. See, if I am continuously talking, will you able to understand? No, I am taking a pause also. Okay. Now, if I don't stop, the sentence will become a mix. We have to know where to stop. Okay. And ask questions. See, if I'm asking you, understand students? Yes, no, then there is a no use of teaching. But that's why I'm asking you continuously. Did you understand? Do you know? Do you have an idea? These are the what? These are the question. What is your question? What is your query? That is also a question. Okay. And what others we know? Show excitement. See, if you see a big tree, and what is wow, what a big tree. That is what that is an excitement. Okay. Now, see what is our goals. Our goals are recognize common punctuation marks like the period, question mark, and excitement mark. Then understand the purpose of each punctuation mark in a sentence. Full stop have another meaning, comma have another meaning, exclamatory mark another meaning, question mark have another meaning. Okay, we will learn this into next slide. First, now pay attention why overview or our goals are important. Now see, use capital letters correctly at the beginning. See, over here, everyone can see a capital letter, capital letter. Okay, everyone is able to see this? Okay, yes or no? Over here, see, R, U, P, U, I, W. All have what? Capital letters. Everyone can see this. This capital, U capital, P capital, U capital, I capital, and W is also capital. Okay. Now, see, another is what? Use compass to separate items or in a list to pause in a sentence. See, if I give a list, write this, I write pen, pencil, pencil, box, bag, water, bo. See, if I write only this, this is what? A simple sentence. But this, what we have to do, separate items to pause a sentence. Now, when you read, you will read pen, pencil, box, bag, water, bottle. But how do you have to read? If I give over here a comma, this is what? Comma. But at last, you should put a full stop. We don't write over here comma for last sentence. Always what we do? We give a full stop. Okay. Now, pay attention here. How we will read this? Pen, pencil, box, bag, water, bottle. Why we have taken pen, pencil, box, bottle, bag, water, bottle. We have given the comma over here. If we don't give the comma, is this a proper alignment of a sentence? No. So while listing words or listing a group of any particular thing, what you will use? You will use comma. Okay. Now see, we will taking the examples also, but now this is just for your understanding. Okay. Now see, another one is what? Improve reading fluently by understanding how pronunciation or punctuation change expressions and tone. What will change? It will change your pronunciation fluency while reading and your expression also. Okay, if you give a proper expressions, that is, you will able to understand what the speaker is going to tell. Okay, now another one is what? Write clear and complete sentence using the correct punctuation marks. Always use a full sentence and give the proper punctuation mark. Okay. Next is what? We will know the punctuation meaning using special marks like period, that is what? To full stop. Then question mark, this is a question mark. Commas. Okay. An excitement, that is an exclamatory mark. To make sentence clear, correctly and easy to read. Okay. Now which punctuation marks we have read over here? Just a second. I will show you here itself. This is what? This is stop, full stop. That is we called over here periods. Okay. Then question mark. This is what? A question mark. This is what? Comma. And another is exclamatory mark. That is what? Exclamatory mark. Now, next, that is full stop. That is what we have taken over here. See, what is the sentence I have? I love my dog. Is this I have written right? See, what sentence I have given over there? I love my dog. But over here, I have written a right or wrong? No, this is a wrong one. Why this is wrong? Why this sentence is wrong? See, we don't follow the rule first. Which rule we have? Only a first letter should be capital. See, I have written over here a capital, here also capital. Is this used? No. Now I have given here a full stop? No, only sentence is written. So, how should we write? We should write like this. I love my dog. And full stop. Okay, only this letter should be a capital and others are small, and give the full stop to stop. Okay, now next is what? She is. Is this, am I written this sentence right? Why no? See, what is the difference? What is the correct sentence? She is writing a book. Over here, what I have done? I have written she, yes, S is capital. That is right. Okay. But READING, the spelling is right. But this D is capital. So this is wrong. And I have written a book over here, but given the exclamatory mark. So is this a proper sentence of a full stop? No, this is a wrong. So what is the correct word or correct sentence, or what is as per our rule? That is, she is reading a book, and then full stop. This is right. Okay, understand now which type you have to use? You don't have to use another our punctuation mark. You just only use the full stop one. Take a first letter capital, the others are small. Okay, now another is the sun is bright. This is also a right sentence. We are going to school. This is also right. My brother is funny. This is also proper sentence. Full stop is into last, and this case capital letter all are small. Okay, and meaningful sentence. Now another is what? A question mark. What is that? See, I am writing over here one sentence. You just have to see. Is this right? See properly. Which sentence is right? That one or this one? See, we are talking for this sentence. Only look at this part. What is your name? Which looks better, or which one is right? Let me know which one is right. This one is right? No. This one is right. Why? See, what we have done over here, we will have to avoid. See, no capital letter over here. This letter is capital. Not need to write a capital letter between itself. Again, this is capital. And question mark is missing over here. Okay. So if we write what is your name, so this is should be a proper sentence. Start with a capital letter and have a proper small words and a question mark. Okay, this is important. Give the question mark. Okay, now another one. Is this right? See, Are you able to see what I have written? See, I am writing again over here. See, is this right? See what I have written. Do you like ice cream? But where is the question mark? That should be always into last, not into first. So what we will do? This is a wrong start. D is capital, that is okay. You like, then again I is capital, this is not needed. And full stop is over here. No need to give full stop over here. You should always add a question mark over here. Okay. Then what is our correct sentence? That is, do you like ICECREAM ice cream and question mark. This is also a wrong question mark. This is a right. Okay, this way. Now, next sentence is what? Where is my pencil? See, this is also a right. Last question mark starting with capital letter or words are small. Okay, can you help me? This is also a right. It is raining. This is also a right. Okay, now exclamation mark or exclamatory mark. Now use how show strong feeling like surprise, excitement, anger, or happiness. This is used to show your emotion. Okay, shows your emotion. Now see, over here. See, which word we have taken? See over here. Wow. See, again I will write over here. Now see, read the question, read the sentence carefully. Now see what changes I have made or which mistake I have, we have learning. See, what is the mistake over here? That is, wow, that's a big cake. Sentence is proper, but writing done the mistake. See, this is also okay. Then this is, that is capital. Okay. This is capital. And we make the spelling mistake. And again the question mark is needed over here. No. So this one is wrong. Then which one is right, students? Right one is, wow, that's a big cake is the right. Now next is what? I won the game is also right. Stop right here is also right. Hurry, we are going on a trip. Why we have taken over here a capital letter or we have seen over here also? Why? Because sometimes we take. Okay. Ouch, that's hurt. This is also a right. Okay. Now next is what? Uses of comma. Comma means little bit dot and you do a little bit curve over here, that is comma. Okay. Now pay attention over here. See, this is used to separate items in a list, to pause in a sentence, after greeting, opening in letters. Now see, for example, I like apples. A bananas. And mangoes. Okay. We have given here a comma because we have a list of items: apple, banana, and mangoes. Okay. And see what is the correct spelling over here. So, or she brought a pen, a notebook, and a ruler. This is a right. Yes, I will come. This is also right. See, we have used over here a comma and full stop over here. If we are completing the sentence, we are giving the full stop. Now see, this is for a greeting or stating something respectfully. What we have written over here? Dear mom, comma, I miss you. This is an exclamation over here. Okay. See, we have used this comma with exclamatory, with questions, with the full stop also. So comma is into first and then start the, this is for pausing. Dear mom, pause. I miss you. This is a word. Okay. Now next is what? At the beginning, we use a capital letter C. My name is Ima. We live in India. Monday is my favorite day. Tom is my best friend. She had red dress. She has a red dress. Okay. Now we will take another part, that is a MCQ. See, which punctuation marks ends a question? See, we have to find question mark over in the option. Full stop, a comma, a question mark, and exclamatory mark. So, option C is the right answer. Choose the sentence with correct punctuation. Now see, where is your bag? Now this is into a question form. Okay. Where is your bag? This is the question. Now see, when we ask the question, we don't use full stop. We use question mark. Now see, we have to find this proper sentence with this question mark. Where is your bag? Exclamatory mark. Where is your bag? Comma. No. Which is the right? Where is your bag? And question mark. The sentence is right. What punctuation is used for a list of items? We have to find the comma over here. See. Period means full stop. This is full stop. Comma, question mark, exclamation mark, no. Option is B. Now see, what comes at the end of happy surprise sentence? There is a full stop, comma, question mark or exclamatory mark. Exclamatory mark is the right answer. Okay, we will pick the right answer. Which word shows begin with a capital letter? Sun, cat, INDIA, or tree, which should be always into capital That word is India. So what we will do? We will pick this answer. Okay. Now this is for your homework. Just take a screenshot of this. Done? Now see, we will solve this also. Okay. What punctuation marks end a telling sentence? While sentence, what we use? Exclamatory mark, question, comma or full stop. The option number D, full stop. Okay. Which sentence shows strong feeling? I like cake, I like cake, I like cake, I like cake. But this has the ending full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark, comma. Which one is right? Option C is right. Which sentence use common commas correctly? Now see. I saw a lion, a tiger, and a bear. Full stop is here. I saw a lion, a tiger, and a bear. Option B. Or I, saw a lion, tiger, and bear. Only the sentence I saw a lion and bear. Which one is right? Option B is right because there is a proper comma and last end with the full stop. Okay. Now next is what punctuation comes after dear mom in a letter. That is a question mark, stop, or comma. Which is that? That is comma. Now see, which sentence starts with a capital letter? Which is the sentence? Over here. The dog is brown. She is my friend. My brother is tall. We are happy. Which one? The option C is the right. Okay. Practice the proper punctuation marks. Okay, students. Thank you so much.